Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to make mushroom and bacon tomato sauce. So I had a small mushroom today. That's why I'm gonna make about 3-person portion bacon and mushroom sauce first, then making pasta, my favorite. Okay, let's start cooking. ソースをね作ろうと思います。だいたいこの分量だったら3人前ぐらいできるかな。でちょっと辛めに2つチリを作ります。Today I want to make a little bit spicy one. So 2 chili cut 4 portion. This cut like this.こんな感じ。で、オニオン、ね、少し玉ねぎ入れて甘みを出します。これはオリーブオイル、ベーコン、マッシュルーム、little bit white wine,はい、トマト、シークレットシーズン、ナンプラー、ね、隠し味ナンプラー入れます。これは塩味と旨味。So nampula is meaning more salt flavor and more rich taste coming out, heating up well. ナンプラー臭みあるのでね、必ずよく加熱するようにちょっと多めに。はい、パスタ入れます。This is a spaghettini. Takes about 5 minutes. So any kind of pasta, you can make it short pasta or long type pasta. So today I'm just using the spaghettini, so it takes about 5 minutes. But sometimes I want to try to make a penne. So it takes about 8 to 10 minutes. But I think making point is don't cook too much of pasta. Always think about making al dente. That's why if you find some package on each pasta recommended about, for example, spaghetti package recommend about 7 minutes, but I'm always like pull out of boiling pot about 5 minutes, little bit short time, better to make al dente. So always calculate about -2 minutes, then mix up with sauce and adjust for the chewy texture. ね、だいたい各パスタのパッケージに茹で時間とか書いてますけど、だいたいね2分ぐらい早く揚げてしまいます、私の場合。それでソースと合わせてそこで加熱して、ベストなね自分の好みのアルデンテに調節しています。毎回そんな感じかな。はい、ちょっとね煮詰まっていい感じになりました。Sauce is done. はい、固めアルデンテができます。I'm gonna pick up al dente. Little bit olive oil. Let's do this. Okay, done. Okay, let's start to eat pasta. Today it's bacon and mushroom and onion, tomato sauce, spaghetti. いただきます。So good. Mushroom. Good balance. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.